Hello and welcome to another Orion Tech Tips video. Hopefully hopefully you can see me okay. But I just got back from the gym and look what was on my doorstep. So this is the Essentials 10th collection. And 20 minutes after I ordered this, the same day I ordered this, I realized I was an idiot. Originally there was a backpack bundle for the 10th collection, and I'm like, okay, cool, I'll just purchase a backpack bundle. So then I tried to buy a fitness shirt, a dress shirt, dress pants, and a backpack, and fitness shorts. Something like that. But then I'm like, wait, hold on, why isn't this working? And okay, I guess the bundles are broken, and then I just ordered a few things off the website without actually purchasing a bundle. And then I realized I was an idiot. I had to either buy the fitness bundle, the casual bundle, and then there's a few other bundles. I had to buy, I can't mix them up. So that's, I guess, I didn't know that, so then I just bought some mixed stuff. If you do remember the 8th collection, I didn't purchase some stuff there. Originally, they did offer bundles. I was about to purchase one, but then the bundles broke. I don't know why. It was just overcrowded. And I just spent way too long just refreshing the page, hoping it will work, but it never did work. So that was sad for the 8th collection. I did still purchase some stuff from the 8th collection. I did not unbox this, but we will be unboxing the 10th collection just because I need some content for this channel. So let's just slice this open. Of course, if you see, there are special Essentials tape. So I will just be, ooh, nice, discussing if I think this is worth it. The packet, I love the packaging. I noticed this with the 8th collection. I'm noticing it now. Just look at this nice packaging. I'll bring it closer to the camera. Essentials. So, okay. There's one more. Okay, and then they ship me my receipt. Nice, okay. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, okay, let's just get into this. I'll just tell you guys what I ordered. So, what is this? Okay, I'll just tell you guys. So I ordered a Essentials, the chino dress pants, the Essentials casual dress shirts, the bamboo crew neck, and then I ordered the new Essentials backpack. And this was all, this was super hyped up, so I'm curious if the backpack actually lives up to the hype. And you can't see my face, I just realized, but okay, that is fine. You're not here for my face, you're here for the outfit. So, okay, designed in the USA, that's cool. Okay, so, should we just, okay, I'll start with the backpack, because that's the most hype. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, they tied it in a knot. Do I have to untie the knot? I'm not very good at untying knots. And this looks like a complicated knot. Uh-oh, that didn't do anything. Have to... They tie a whole bunch of knots. Oh no, double, triple, quadruple, 5 times, 6 times, it just knotted this. Perfect, yes, okay. So where did I have to cut it? So it comes in a dust bag that says Essentials. This isn't a very fancy dust bag, so yeah, I wouldn't really use this again. Oh, okay. This is the Essentials backpack. It's not bad. Okay, okay. It's not bad. It has like a clip right there, so it's some of the pressure, it's not all on your shoulders. Some of it like is actually strapped across your chest. So the backpack, it's just one size. So it has, let's look at this main compartment, and yes, I am fully aware, if I purchased a backpack bundle, I had the chance to win $5,000, but I did not. Oh, nice. This is like an oversized, I like this zipper. I'll sit down on the couch to actually show you guys. So we can just sit down face to face. Okay, so I just use oh, and then of course it does come with silicone gel. An Essentials water bottle. I don't know how many ounces this is. If I mean, this certainly is a premium water bottle. It's not plastic, which, I mean, if you are buying a premium backpack, it's a nice inclusion that they actually do include a premium water bottle. Nice, so neat. Just throw out this paper. Okay. So yeah, the backpack. Ooh. So let's talk about this backpack. So throwing this out. There are 2 laptop compartments and then a main compartment. So okay. I like that, definitely. Just a compartment for all of your chargers. So yeah, 2 laptops, if you can see here, and they also have a closed compartment, which I really like. So if you are dressed in a suit and you're going straight to the gym, you can just easily just pack a change of clothes and then just swap that. Yeah. What else is there? Let's try it on. The texture, I really like the materials that they used. Okay, definitely need to tighten that. Alright. So, okay, and then we got, yeah, black Bamboo Crew black dress chinos. Okay, so I'm actually just going to throw the whole outfit on, and, yeah, see you guys then. Okay, this is the outfit. So, of course, black, short sleeve dress pants, or casual dress shirt, or whatever this is. I like the, fabric. Definitely stretchy, elastic. I'm also, okay, I have to, like, go right here. I have to back up to talk to you guys. But I am curious what their fitness shirts feel like. I definitely wanted to get my hands on those. Hopefully they release next time around so I can try them. And then, these are the, Essentials black chinos, all step back, so you can see them. And there is no belt buckle, surprisingly. So there's just strings to tie them. So yeah, lengthwise, these are perfect. Like size, I got the small in both of these. So small shirt and then small pants. The shirt, it fits great, no complaints. Hip size wise, these were a little bit too baggy, too loose. So I just tightened the strings and they're fine now. So that works. Why don't they have a belt buckle? I mean, if someone knows, then tell me. But it's alright. The strings work. I just tied them in a bow. Okay, now with the backpack, I do have something to say about this. Something well, yeah, kind of surprising. How do I gotta pull these. There, perfect. Okay, so the backpack, I like the look of this backpack a lot. I like the matte back, the matte black backpack. The texture is like a rubber, no, like a leather, like a fancy leather. I like it. But okay, my one concern, which you can fix, but is this. Why are there no water bottle holders? I have to loosen it. I don't know why, like I always have my backpack so tight and then so tight, but you can of course this in grade 5 through, no, not grade 5 through, in like grade 2, 3 to 7, or like whatever, yeah, 3 to 7 I think. I did have like I had 2 straps because I was doing a lot of hiking. But yeah, I'll walk you through the compartments and I guess tell you guys the price of all these things and if I think it is worth like that. Just smashed into the table. So, of course, the solution, and there's also like a lock here. So, I can't open this. So, like, I have to actually unscrew this, which is a very nice touch. Now, can I yes, I can. Okay. So, yeah, of course, there's also a strap, like, right here. Not really sure what this is for, but it's there. So, of course, I think when I'm wearing this backpack, I'm just going to have the water bottle in. It does lock, so that's good. I'm just going to have it inside. Hey guys, editing Orion here, and I have some technical issues with LumaFusion. Somehow the video got upside down and I can't figure out how to flip it right side up. I don't know how that happened. But, yeah, so overall thoughts, I'd say, yeah, definitely the black short sleeve shirt is my favorite. I'd recommend that a lot. The chinos are also really good, and the backpack is also really good, but remember, you have some options in that price range. Use a coupon code to knock some money off. I don't know if I said that before. The only, I guess, gripe I have about the backpack is, I guess I'll start with the positives. I like the color, I like the look of it a lot. I like that there's a compartment dedicated for clothing. 2 laptop sleeves, probably don't need it, but it's nice to have. It has a decent amount of room in it. I will do an update video. I will definitely be wearing the backpack a lot. I'll compare it to my old backpack from Ghost Tech.
Chinos, I recommend the shirt. It's my favorite. I already said that. Is there anything else? My only other gripe is the glasses compartment is not a hard shell, but throw a hard case on the glasses, and then you can just put them in the storage compartment on the face of the backpack. There is no water bottle holders. There is just a clip, which... Why? Why exactly? Why? Is there anything else? No, I don't think so. Anyway, do I recommend the shirt? Yes, 100%. Do I recommend the chinos? Yes, 100%. Why is there... Yes, I recommend the chinos. Jose, why is there not belt buckles on the chinos? Why is there just a screen? Why? I need answers, but yeah, I still recommend them. Do I recommend the backpack? Yes. But the backpack, the Essentials chinos, and the bamboo shirt, especially that bamboo cotton, you can't really find anywhere else. So I recommend that a lot. The backpack, I haven't seen like a professional casual backpack, a professional backpack hybrid that's like a school backpack, but like with a professional mixed like hybrid, those two things together. I think that's really cool. I love that about the backpack. But yeah, anyway, maybe they'll come out with a version 2.0 of the backpack, which, if they do, I want my money back on the version. Imagine like in like a month if they come out with version 2, all new, better, and then they charge like a fortune for it. But then like, can I have that? I already bought your version 1. I want your version 2. But imagine they did that. That would be pretty funny. But okay, anyway, like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you want me to do. I'm just doing whatever I want, whatever I feel like. So yeah, comment below. Alright, peace.